Ayan, kumakain ako ng ice cream. Yung favorite ko pang ice cream na to. Tapos, yung mga bata, kain ng chicken at ice cream. Hindi ko dala yung PWD ko. Pwede ba yung sa cellphone? Don't you want na nakuha ang chicken? Kim, hanap kaya kaming chair?
Pwede, umanap na kayo.
Kim, Sunday yung dalawa chocolate. Chocolate. Come on, let's go. Elia, follow me. Follow the bibe. Ang apo ko. Because it's day off. Where is the best? Yeah, okay, Jan. Okay, go ahead, sit. Go get ano. Find your place. You go sit.
I'm staying here.
Wait, you wait for your ice cream in order ni Mama Kim. Ayun nga, ano yung chocolate yun? Ang kulit na itong bata to. I-stress na naman ako ng Eddie. Sabi na ako, nagbaon lang ako ng grapes ko. Yeah. No, just sit there, and then when your mom arrive, you transfer here. You just save not the table. Yes. Look, you go sit there first. Oh, you go sit there if you want. My God. Si Elio, stressful ang brain cells ito. Hindi pa nagbibinata, na-stress na si Lalas. Yummy food. Yeah, in-order na kayo, you wait. Daon na lang ako umorder sa inyo. Wait for your turn. Di pa. I chat you later, okay? I'm just gonna finish my ice cream. I'm gonna go on again. I wanna eat outside. It's so hot outside. It's so hot today. You're just gonna get sweat outside. Just stay here. It's cool. Mac? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
It comes from the bag.
Yes. Yeah. I'm just gonna get my grapes. Connect my grapes.
I take your drink.
Okay. Ciao.
The drink.